How to use a DataHub script. First, download and install Cogent DataHub software. Start the DataHub, and from the Properties window select the Scripting option and click the Add button. Choose a script from the demo scripts in the Scripts directory, see, Program Files, Cogent DataHub, Scripts. To edit the demo script you should first save a copy. Select the script, then click the Edit button to open the script in the script editor. Choose File, then Save As, to save the script. Put it in your users directory, see, Users, Username, AppData, Roaming, Cogent DataHub, Scripts. Edit the script as needed. Click the blue arrow to save your edits and run the script, as often as you like. When you are done editing, close the script editor. Check the box for the script if you want it to run when the DataHub starts up. Click the Apply button. Now you are using a DataHub script.